going to do anything. And look at all these papers I have to grade. What's this graduation anyway? I just need more time. I don't have any time. I've got no time. I'm too busy. Now I have to collect CPAs.
I teach physical education. I have used Flubaroo with my 9th grade core and my team sports classes. I've used it for 2 common-based assessments, and it has made my life so much easier. With my 9th grade core, it took me a little time with a 50-point question to type in the questions, but once I did, and having a class of 38 students, it made it very easy. When I went to use the Flubaroo to grade it, it was done in a matter of minutes. And so not only did I have how many, what their score was, but I also had which test questions the most students got incorrectly, so I could look at that question and see, okay, maybe that wasn't a fair assessment question. I need to reword it to make more sense. So it was really nice for me to see what areas I might need to spend more information on, as well as it saved me a huge amount of time. My team sports class was great because I was able to do some fancy graphics on the top of it, but I used that one specifically for kids even when they were absent. I could give them the website and they could just go right to the library and take it as a makeup and submit their score. So I didn't even have to coordinate with them, when to come in, after school or, on a lunch break or whatever. They could just take it on their own and send me their scores, and it worked out really well that way.
So how does it work? You create a Google form. I'll walk you through it. The student fills out the Google form. They submit it. You get a list of all the submissions, and you install a script called Flubaroo. Flubaroo will work with that spreadsheet to grade each student's assignment. You can assign point values, decide which one is the correct answer, and it will grade it almost instantaneously. You can see which questions students struggled with, and you can put in categories such as race, ELL, or special ed to disaggregate your data. I lost my assignment. I didn't save it. I didn't finish. Are you sick of the excuses? Use Google Docs. Click Create in Documents. You start typing. You have students share it with you. It will automatically share to you everything that they do. They start typing. The text saves itself. You don't have to worry about where to find it. It will always be in your Google Docs. You find your Google Drive by clicking right up there. In addition, you can share and collaborate on the spot. 2 students can work together. Instead of having one disengaged and sitting, they'll both be working. What are some other pluses, you ask? Well, let me tell you. We have something called research, where you can go into Google Scholar. You can find things. It will even cite your source for you in the correct format, whether that is APA or MLA. You can put images in. It will also select that format, MLA, APA, or Chicago style. Another time saver is taking a field trip via Google Earth. Now we all know that the kids can't miss school very often for a field trip. What Google Earth will do, it will take you to the place that you're studying, whether that's social studies and science, in English, in world language. It doesn't matter what your subject area. You can show different pictures and multimedia from the topic that you are studying. There are also different things on Google Earth, such as showing the path of whales and where they go. You can actually watch multimedia, such as YouTube video clips. And you can actually zoom into the places that are on the map. You can turn on pictures, and you can see pictures that people have uploaded that have actually been there. You can show these to your students, and it's just like a virtual field trip.